Good day, good afternoon to the Creative Community of the Volleyball. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Today is another Wednesday. Today is another Wednesday, a day of our mass adoption training with our able TBC admin. So guys, don't forget by 4 p.m. West African time, join the Zoom. That's where we learn. We get trained by the TBC admin, and you can speak with the creator of TBC directly himself. So guys, don't forget by 4 p.m. Make it a time. Join us. Wow. Guys, procrastination is the thief of time. Procrastination is the thief of time. The recent blog post by the admin says there will not be an extension of the July promo of the gift of 1,000 TBC coins. Guys, this is the truth. The admin has said it, there will be no extension. Meaning that for as many who are procrastinating, admin will extend it. There will be another promo. This is a positive and a genuine confirmation from the admin himself. There will be no extension. So guys, I implore you all, do all within your best to ensure you key into this ongoing promotion. Payment of program fee, as little as payment for a month, ends you the gift. It's a gift, it's an offer. Why not accept it? Simply make your commitment to the community by saying, okay, fine, I identify myself with the community, and you pay the program fee. Then you are entitled to this 1,000 TBC. Guys, the July gift of 1,000 TBC for all active members will not be extended. So spread the word as fast as possible. So I'm spreading mine now, and I'm telling you, for as many who are watching this, who are listening to this, key yourself into this fast as possible. There will be no extension. This gigantic promo will end at the stroke of midnight Africa Coast time of July 31st, 2022. A second later is too late, guys. Don't let it be at I know. Try your possible best within the numbers of days remaining and key into this. Pay the billionaire program fee and get your 1,000 TBC. Guys, do not trivialize it. It's the greatest wealth distribution in the planet Earth. So guys, take this opportunity now. Do all within your best to secure the future. TBC is the main thing. TBC to the moon. Thank you guys. For as many who are yet to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to the channel so that you always get a first-hand notification whenever any video is being uploaded. Thank you all. I love you all.